is a review of Deck 11, Room 301. It's in the aft of the ship. It's a virtual balcony room and it sits quite near the back of the ship. So if you don't want such a hike to the elevators, then you might want to look at one that's a little bit closer. Other than that, it was a great room. This is a room tour of Deck 11, Room 301. It's an interior virtual balcony room. Let's have a look. Okay, so right by the door we've got the switch for the air conditioning, and it comes pre-set with a card. And you've got your light switch there, your safety information, with your muster station being up here, E2, which is in 270. And right here we've got a full length mirror, which is really handy, and another mirror over here which lights up. It's not great for makeup. You're probably better to do it in the bathroom if you can. Okay, so we've got plenty of spots over here. We've got a couple of spots here for, let's fix that up. Couple of spots here for power plugs. We've got some USB ones. I found they actually didn't work very well. I'm wondering if they're a bit faulty. And then I've bought my Euro adapter plug there, so that looks like that. And the plug has just got the two pieces, so that's going to give you your best charge if you're from Australia or New Zealand. And here we've got one of these little chairs which wheels in and out, and actually this whole table can pull out if you need it to. Up here it comes with a jug and tea and coffee and cups there. We've got the TV there with the ship on it. Under here we've got a drawer with tissues and a hairdryer in it, and this plugs into the American plugs, US plugs. And here you've got your fridge, your chiller, keeps things nice and cold. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers. The top one is a little smaller, and I'm not going to open the rest because they do have things in them just at the moment. There. Okay, over this side here you've got your there you go. You've got your telephone, you've got the light up here, and a couple of spots there to put some bits and pieces. Right above the bed you've got 1, 2 cupboards, and on this side here another light. You've got a US power plug and the 2 spots down here. So if you're someone who wants to charge by your bed, you might want to bring a US adapter for that spot there. Plenty of space underneath the bed for suitcases, and I have got a huge big suitcase under here, one under each side actually. And here's the star of this room. You've got your virtual balcony, and it goes floor to ceiling, ceiling to floor if you're following the right way round. Okay, and just a little chair. So it's not a huge room, but it's big enough for 2 people, and you can pull those curtains should you need to. And here we've got the wardrobe with the safe, and you've got plenty of spots in here for bits and pieces. And it came with a whole heap of hangers, which was brilliant. And this bar here, if you need to pull that out to put some more things on. Excuse the shoes and things. We are living in the room. And then down here you've got a couple of drawers to put some things into as well. And I'm not going to open the top one because again we're living in the room. You've got a hook up here to hang some things, and then we've got the bathroom. So we found this was perfectly okay for two of us. You've got a couple of hooks on the back of the door there, plus another hook just in here. Okay. So the bathroom's fairly standard. You've got power plugs up here, a couple of shelves, got your toilet, got a bin down here, toilet paper and bits and pieces, soap, towels, and this light is much better for doing makeup and things like that. And the shower with, yay, a shower door. And this is a good size. I found this was really good size. Spot to put your foot for shaving, a handle in case it gets a bit rocky, and also some other hooks inside if you want to dry some bits and pieces. This one doesn't have the cord across the top, just the hooks there to dry your wet togs and things. Okay, mind the step as you come down. Alright, so that's a room tour of room 11301. And would I stay in this room again? Yes, there was nothing wrong with the room whatsoever. Staff were awesome. Location could be a bit better. So if you're someone who doesn't want to walk too far from the lifts, this was a little bit of a walk. So you might want to look at something a little bit closer to the lifts. But there was nothing wrong with it, just wasn't the closest to the lifts, that's all. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this room tour, and let me know if there's any other questions about it. Until next time, bye for now.